located at SMBF in Parañaque City. Okay guys, so our food has arrived and today I decided to order their Dayrit's crispy pork sisig with chorizo Macau bits. Okay guys, let's now try their sisig. So here it is. Wow, that's still really hot. Over here we have the rice. Wow guys, I gotta tell you, that sisig is amazing. That sisig has some pork, some eggs, some onions, some chilies, and some chorizo bits. But that is really delicious. That sisig is actually quite spicy because there is actually a chili in it. But that sisig is really tasty. Overall, I really recommend the sisig here because that sweetness of the chorizo Macau bits really complement the taste of the sisig. I would also really recommend for you guys to squeeze some calamansi to your sisig to add a little bit of acidity. While my dad decided to order their binagoongang liempo. Okay guys, let's now try their liempo binagoongan. So liempo is actually pork belly and bagoong is actually shrimp paste. So liempo binagoongan is actually the pork belly stir fried with bagoong. So let's now try it. Wow, it's actually really good. Usually bagoong would be really spicy, but this bagoong is slightly salty and also slightly sweet. Overall, the taste fantastic. And the liempo binagoongan also comes with mango. So what you can do is you can get the mango, you can dip it into the bagoong. So here it is, inside the mango with the bagoong. It's amazing. Wow. Wow, the taste amazing. That mango is really sour, while that bagoong is really salty, and that is a really good combination.